Hey everyone! Today, I'll walk you through creating a passport size photo in Canva. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Scroll to Custom Size. Switch units to millimeters and enter 35 by 45. Click Create New Design to start. Upload your headshot by going to the Uploads tab. Drag your photo onto the page. If you have Canva Pro, use the built-in background remover. For free users, visit remove.bg online. Upload your photo. Download the version with a transparent background. And re-upload it to Canva. Drag the edited photo onto the canvas and resize it slightly. Go to File, click Settings, and enable Show Margins and Show Print Bleed. Add a square shape from the Elements tab. Set the border style to solid with a 0.5 weight. Then make the border color transparent. Position the square inside the print bleed area. Under Position, select middle and backward to align it properly. Adjust your photo to fit within the border, cropping any excess parts. Disable margins and print bleed. Finally, change the background color to off-white. Click the background, select Add a new color, and enter the code F5F5F5. And that's it! Your passport size photo is ready. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.